Oh yes, good day, beautiful treasures out there. You are highly welcome to my channel once again today. Yes, before we proceed, I would like to assume that every one of you spent your weekend very well, and if so, uh, glory be to God. All right. So let's proceed. Yes, this morning, I am just going to share a brief tips and tricks on how you can increase your earning. All right, on how you can increase your earning with Alligator. All right, with Alligator. So that is what we are going to look out for today, and the brief video that I'm going to share with you the details on how you can increase your earning this morning is just one of the motivational video that you are going to enjoy most. All right, because what prompted this video was one of my subscriber, one of my students that sent me a screenshot of how much he made with 0.005. It's not up to, you know, 0.50. Is just 0.005. That is what he used to make uh, the amount that he sent to me, the screenshot. All right, so look at the screenshot here and you can agree with me that this young man has been practicing. He has been following my instructions, and I am not using him as a case study here because I have many testimonies like this coming up. But what marveled me this morning was, excuse me, he was the first message that I received this morning, and the first message for the week. All right, the first message for the week and first message this morning has to do with success. That is to say, every one of you that is watching this video right now, you are entitled to succeed this week. No matter where you have been getting it wrong on all the strategies that you have been learning from this week, I believe with this kind of motivational, should I say, screenshots, you will be able to pave way to yourself this week. All right, you are going to get it right this week. Just calm down, follow the instruction as this young man did, and implement whatever you learn from here. All right, implement whatever you learn from here, and I bet you sky will be your limit. Look at this young man's screenshot. All right, so he is now suggesting, or he is now telling me that he can now pay off his rent, you know. So with how much did he use to open this position? All right, so that is the power of the knowledge that I am imparting on you guys. I want this kind of testimony every morning when I wake up. Every morning when I wake up. When you wake up with good testimony, that day is already blessed. All right, so look at the screenshot here. All right, look at it very well. So that's that, guys. So without wasting much of our time, I am just going to share with you this powerful alligator information that you will use to increase your earnings. All right, you don't need any more indicators. You don't need any complicated strategy or indicator to get what you want from the market. All you need is these things that I have been giving to you guys. All right, so what I want you guys to do is this: listen carefully and pay attention. If anything is distracting you, turn that thing off. All right, because that is an enemy. Turn it off and pay close attention to what I am telling you right now, and the teaching that you are hearing right now is more important than whatever that might be distracting you. All right, so I want you guys to pay close attention and make sure you watch the video to the end. Do not skip anything. All right, do not skip anything. Make sure you watch it to the end so that you will get the same kind of result that this young man sent to me this early morning. All right, so meanwhile, if today is your first time of watching my video, or you are new to my channel, or once again, let me officially introduce myself. My name is Olites from Global Effects, and excuse me, and what I do here on this channel is that I teach and train people how to trade forex successfully. So what I will advise, if you are new to my channel and you are interested in learning more on what you are seeing right now, just do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your loved ones and friends that are also struggling to make money from this forest market. All right, as you can see, this screenshot that this young man has sent this morning, the next screenshot might be you. All right, so pay close attention and grab whatever you need to succeed right here. All right, everything that you need to succeed is right here on this channel. So all you need to do is, in case if this particular video did not portray who you are, all you need to do is dig more into my channel and find other videos. There are many videos in this channel, on this channel, that you can use to enhance your earning, all right, or enhance your training. So as I was saying, what I'm trying to put out to you guys here is this: we are not going to use many or much indicators as you think. We are just going to use this simple alligator indicator, all right, with the best settings that I have ever tried to come up with. All right, so I've tested these settings and I confirm it to be working. So that is that, guys. That is that. So what we are going to do right now is I am going to show you how to set this up. All right, and before I show you how to set this up, look at something. I want to clarify something here. Excuse me. Look at the settings of the Alligator. All right, look at the settings of Alligator. So now, with these settings of this Alligator, I want you to get something straight here. All right, with these settings of this Alligator, they have the Alligator indicator has three components. All right, it has three components or segments. All right, so it has a jaw period, it has teeth period, and lips period. So now let's bring it to reality. Let's bring it to reality. If you have to eat, all right, if you have to eat, that food must pass through your lips before it will get to your teeth, and after the teeth, before the jaw, right? So that is how I want you to be looking at what you are seeing here on the chart. All right, the lips here, the lips here is this green line, is this green line, while the teeth is this red line, and the jaw is this black line. Are you getting it now? So what this practically means is this: if the price, if this if the lips crosses the price and the teeth also follow up immediately, and before getting to the jaw, you see what happened to this place here. You see what happened here. Look at this place. All right. Now, keep looking. Look at this place here. That is what I'm trying to portray. As soon as the price is above the lips and the teeth and the jaw, what happened? Did you see the long movement of this is stepping days anyway? Did you see the long movement of the market? You see that? So that is how, and that is what I want you guys to understand. It is not all about, it's not all about trading different types of indicator, jumping from one channel to another, looking for help. Or if you are looking for watching all these videos and you are not implementing the instructions that the person that shot that video stated out, you are not still going to make anything out of it. All right. So what I am saying here is this: the way these things work is all about you pay close attention to instruction, and when you pay close attention to instructions, you will make money. Just as this guy that sent this screenshot here. All right. He followed my instructions. He followed my directive, and he followed my order. And look at it. Look at the result of all that. I am not just using him as a case study. I am just using this particular screenshot because the screenshot came in as the first message to me in the first week. In the first week, the first, like, at the beginning of the week, sorry, not the first week, at the beginning of the week, and the first message. That is why I am using it to make this video. So now, this is how all these things that I'm talking about, this is how it works. All right. Now, look at something here. This is the lips as as I narrated. Look at the teeth and look at the jaw. So whenever the price action crosses both like this, you can see that here. Whenever it crosses like this, and if it crosses from up like this, expect a sell. Expect a sell. All right. Expect a sell. You sell. You sell. That's that. You sell. So whenever it happens opposite, like something like this, look at our lips, look at the teeth, and look at the jaw. Now, the price action crosses the three of them together. What will you do? You buy. Long, you buy. Let me just put it this way so you can see it properly. Look at it here. Look at it here. Then, sorry about that. Look at it. Okay. So look at it. You see that? So as soon as you see something like this, you buy. Where will you TP? You wait whenever you see the crossover, whenever he sees the lips and the red gets closer to the jaw, you exit. Right? You exit. So that's how you utilize this opportunity. That's how you go about it. All right? That's how you go about it. Look at another one here. Look at another one here. Sorry. Look at another one here. Look at this here. Now, what will you do? Go on long. All right, go on long. So even if you wouldn't go on long, that you go from here to here, even if you go from here to this place and look at this thing here, and the price come back to this jaw and test here, which I believe you might have exited the market, and you look out and see something like this again, crossover again. This is crossover above the jaw. You take your second sell. All right. Where will you TP for this? You TP when the price come back to the same jaw. As simple as that. All right. So that's that, guys. That is that. So just do me a favor and try everything possible to practice as much as you can on your demo account, and perfect it. All right, perfect on it before going live. All right, so this is a quick video. I don't want it to be long. Look at another option here. Look at another uh, buy, long buy position here. You can see that. You can see that it's still going. You can see that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. You can see that. You can see that. You can see that. All right. You see that. You see. That is what I'm saying, guys. That is what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. All right. That is what I'm saying. You see that. Look at the trend. Look at it. Imagine you cut something like this. Imagine you cut something like this. You will not trade again for a very long time. Look at this. Look at how far the trend went. So when you cut something like this, where you are going to TP will be, you'll be waiting for the lips and the teeth to touch the jaw before you exit the market. As simple as that. It's as simple as ABCD, guys. It's as simple as ABCD. So follow my instruction properly and utilize this opportunity. All right, utilize this opportunity so that your own testimony will be higher than what I received this morning. So that's that, guys. That's that. So one more thing, practice as much as you can on your demo account before going live. And also, as I said earlier on, if you have not subscribed to this channel, smash that subscribe button and like this video, share to your friends and family, and that's that, guys. That's that. So signing out. All it is. Peace.